We've been seeing a lot of people with sciatica and questioning us about what is the sciatic nerve and its branches and where does it come from. So today's video, I'm going to look to answer that for you. I'm Dr. Greg Gersten, and I've been helping to remove the blockages in people's health so they can live amazing, fantastic lives for the last 20 years. So the sciatic nerve is a nerve that winds up coming down the back of your leg and going all the way down to your feet. It's one of the largest nerves in the body, and it's got a couple of points along it that are just primed for compression, irritation, and breakdown. So the first, and I want to go over them with you. The first one is where it winds up actually coming out, one of the 3 or 4 segments that it comes out of the spine. It's going to be L3, L4, and L5. All of those can wind up combining together to create the sciatic nerve, but irritation and pinching or a disc injury to any one of those can affect the efficiency of the entire sciatic nerve. The next point that sciatic nerve can wind up getting irritated or having problems comes in the area where the piriformis muscle is. That goes from your sacrum to your hip. And a third of the sciatic nerves wind up going under it, a third of it go right through that muscle, and a third go on top. It really doesn't matter which third you're in, all 3 of them can wind up being affected, but this is typically the most common place that a sciatic nerve winds up getting impinged and irritated, and it affects from about the butt all the way down to your foot. Some other places that it can wind up getting cut off is in the back of the knee if you've got swelling or an injury, or it can get cut off all the way down at your foot and affect you all the way up. If you're wondering if you may be having problems with your sciatic nerve, let's hop on a discovery call to dig in and find out what's your best next step. Once again, I'm Dr. Greg Gersten. Thank you for letting me be a part of your health.